Make your plan a reality with Brother at your side.
Your area agency on aging reminds Medicare beneficiaries it's time to sign up for the prescription drug benefit. During enrollment, remember, don't give anyone your Medicare, Social Security, or bank account numbers. Don't sign any blank forms. Don't sign up for a drug program until you verify. If you experience this, you may become a victim of fraud. Call your local area agency on aging immediately. 1-800-986-3505. That's 1-800-986-3505.
A lot of window companies claim to qualify for a $1,500 tax credit, but unless they have
Honey, yeah, drink it. Look, Pinky Mama is doing it too.
You can get up to $1,500 in tax credit, and we've got documents to back it up.
Take advantage of Champion
I'm
tax
sorry,
credit.
Pinky है कटोरी रखने की कोशिश बैठने की बेइज्जती
The best time for your home improvement is now. Call Champion today.
Like an American Super, Saturday and Sunday night Eastern on CNN.
Tonight, selling the plan and the pushback to it as Hillary Clinton and others try to sell Congress on President Obama's new strategy for Afghanistan. We have some hard questions for the general in charge, David Petraeus.
नहीं बेटा इसको pomegranate.
From Democrats and Republicans about everything from setting deadlines to
It's called
setting
anar.
numbers all. Got the primetime exclusive with the general, our panel members as well.
Yeah, you want more? Pinky Mama will give you more if you want more.
Also tonight,
No,
how
I will
did
do it
a
by
habitual
myself.
offender who believed he was Jesus get bail on rape charges only to gun down 4 police officers just days later? And why did a parole board and a governor let him out of prison in the first place years before? We'll count the ways, and there were plenty of people held accountable over 2 states and 2 decades.
ये पता नहीं इसको कैसे.
Selling the strategy. Secretary of State Hillary Clinton and top commanders rolling out and selling
Okay.
the so-called troop surge for
Like this?
Afghanistan. And the date he said about 20 months from now.
Oh, red,
starting.
You know it's not red.
Sam, tough
You
question
got
for
it?
Secretary of State Joint Chiefs Chairman
You're so
Bolton.
cute.
Secretary of State Clinton pushback from Republicans
I'm
over the
just eating
conditional
my
deadlines after
lip.
Democrats
It's not
are
red,
pulling
beta.
out now.
Yep.
Look,
My
That's
president told me
what
to
this.
the fruit is red, beta, but your teeth is not red.
children's and my constituents' children and grandchildren's cash. I guess the question I would ask is this. As of 8 o'clock last night, do we have a new war? Or do we have an old war under new ownership?
I think we have inherited the same war, but it is a dynamic war, and frankly, the situation is getting worse. The fire is getting hotter.
Over on the Senate side, John McCain, who favors sending more troops, took issue with the 2011 deadline.